Good morning, my dear students. I am Basma Taiman from Palestinian School in Doha. I'm going to explain your English lesson today. Please follow with me. Our lesson today is about the jobs. Job means the work. Every day in the morning, your father goes to his work. It means he goes to his job. He has a job. Now, let's listen to the new words.
Track 12, Unit 2, Period 1 and Period 2, Language Presentation. A dentist. A farmer. A doctor. A nurse. A policeman. A teacher. A driver.
Now, please listen again and try to repeat the new words.
Track 12, Unit 2, Period 1 and Period 2, Language Presentation. A dentist.
A dentist.
A farmer.
A farmer.
A doctor.
A doctor.
A nurse.
A nurse.
A policeman.
A policeman.
A teacher.
A teacher.
A driver.
A driver. Well done. Now, my students, let's look at the following pictures and try to read the words. But first of all, can you look and tell me what's his job or what's her job? Picture A. Yes, he is a doctor. B. She is a nurse. C. She is a teacher. D. He is a farmer. E. He is a policeman. F. He is a dentist. And the last one, he is a driver. Now, please listen to the audio and number the pictures.
Track 13, Unit 2, Period 1, Activity 1. Listen and write. 1.
What's his job? He's a farmer.
2.
What's his job? He's a dentist.
3.
What's her job? She's a teacher.
4.
What's his job? He's a doctor.
5.
What's his job? He's a policeman.
6.
What's his job? He's a driver.
7.
What's her job? She's a nurse.
Now, let's listen again and check your answers.
Track 13, Unit 2, Period 1, Activity 1. Listen and write. 1.
What's his job? He's a farmer.
2.
What's his job? He's a dentist.
3,
What's her job? She's a teacher.
4,
What's his job? He's a doctor.
5,
What's his job? He's a policeman.
6,
What's his job? He's a driver.
7,
What's her job? She's a nurse.
Well done. Don't forget, my students, when we ask about a girl, we say, what's her job? When we ask about a boy or a man, we say, what's his job? Thank you and well done. Now, my students, in activity number 2, we are going to listen to some questions about the pictures or the jobs in activity number 1. So look at these people in the pictures in activity number 1 and listen to the questions, then try to answer them.
Track 14, Unit 2, Period 1, Activity 2. Listen and say. 1,
What's his job?
2,
What's his job?
3,
What's her job?
4,
What's his job?
5,
What's his job?
6,
What's his job?
7,
What's her job?
If you notice, in these questions, sometimes we use his and sometimes we use her. Again, let me remind you that we use his for a boy and we use her for a girl. For example, when I ask, what's his job? Means I'm asking about the job of a boy. When I say, what's her job? Means I'm asking about a job of a girl. Now let's listen again and check your answers.
Track 14, Unit 2, Period 1, Activity 2. Listen and say. 1,
What's his job?
He is a farmer.
2,
What's his job?
He is a dentist.
3,
What's her job?
She is a teacher.
4,
What's his job?
He is a doctor.
5,
What's his job?
He is a policeman.
6,
What's his job?
He is a driver.
7,
What's her job?
She is a nurse. Well done. Please, my students, try to work in pairs with your brother or sister to ask and answer about the jobs. You can use some pictures if you want. For example, you can ask, what's her job? And the answer maybe would be, she is a dentist. Or you can say, what's his job? He is a farmer. Thank you. Now, my students, in activity number 1, you can see some words and pictures. First of all, let's read the words. Number 1, a farmer. Number 2, a dentist. Number 3, a nurse. Number 4, a doctor. Number 5, a policeman. Number 6, a driver. Number 7, a teacher. Please take 2 minutes to match the words with the pictures. Very good. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, a farmer, we match it with picture E. It's already done. Now number 2, a dentist with picture A. Very good. Number 3, a nurse with picture G. Number 4, a doctor with picture B. Excellent. Number 5, a policeman with picture D. Number 6, a driver with picture F. Number 7, a teacher with picture C. Excellent. Now, my students, let's move to activity number 2. Here, first of all, let's read the words in the box to use them. She is, he is, a dentist, a nurse, a teacher, a policeman, a driver, a doctor. Now, please look at the following pictures and try to tell me their jobs. Please write full sentences. For example, number 1. Can you tell me what's his job? Yes, excellent. He is a teacher. Please do the rest of the sentences. Take 5 minutes to write the sentences. Now, let's check your answers together. Number 2. What's her job? She is a doctor. Very good. Number 3. What's her job? She is a nurse. Number 4. What's his job? He is a dentist. Number 5. What's his job? He is a driver. Excellent. And the last one, what's his job? He is a policeman. Excellent. Very good. Now we will move to the homework. Your homework for today is to copy the following words in your copy book. And the words are farmer, dentist, teacher, doctor, policeman, driver, and nurse. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood everything. See you soon.